Hi, Audrey. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm so good. I'm super excited to see your transit.
Yeah, I'm excited to show it to you.
All right, let's check it out.
Yeah, so this is my 2014 Ford Transit Connect, and I've had it about 4 years, and in the last year I just converted it into a camper.
It's amazing. It's absolutely beautiful. Did you design it yourself or did you work with somebody?
I did design it myself. I have a friend that did all the woodwork for me.
Who is Ginger?
Ginger is the name of my van, and the person that helped me make the van, I think her handle is Elizabeth, Creations by Elizabeth. She made my sign for me, and a few other things that you'll see as we go around the van.
Super sick. Can we check out the inside?
Sure.
All right.
You want to come in?
Absolutely.
All right.
Oh, look at that. There's room for more than just one person.
That's right. You haven't been in here, have you?
No.
Oh, great. So I do have a solar panel up on top, and that's a 180 watt solar panel. So I charge this battery. This is a Watt Fun battery. Got it on Amazon. It's 500 watts.
Oh, wow.
And it runs my refrigerator. So this is my refrigerator. And it just keeps it running all the time. It's great.
And that just charges off of the car's DC outlet?
You can, but right now it's charging off the solar panel on top of the roof.
Wow.
So yeah, it just runs constantly. So that's great.
And it's able to pull off enough power to like charge it all day long?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, it continually keeps the refrigerator going.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
Very nice.
It is great.
Look at this little like sink setup you have here. This is beautiful.
Yeah, so I have water that just is, this is a USB charged pump, and it connects to my water, which is down below.
Oh wow, that thing locks in too?
Yeah, so
what a
this
nice
is just
thing.
a little table I can work off of or eat off of or put a drink on or put my phone on, whatever.
This is so cozy, I'm not gonna lie.
Isn't it neat?
Yeah.
I really enjoy it. So this is, I kind of put this putty on there so when I put stuff on the counter, it doesn't move when I'm driving. So that's pretty handy stuff. And that's what's holding my water. That's my drinking water.
Okay, that's smart. I can see that.
Yeah. And then I've got curtains that I can open and close. And I have my paper towel holder. So this is my kitchen area.
Beautiful.
And these are just all of my kitchen supplies.
Do you do a lot of cooking in here?
I don't do it in here so much as outside.
Okay,
Yeah.
very cool.
Yeah.
What would you say is your favorite part about the interior?
That I can sleep in it and that I can sit up and not hit my head.
That's awesome.
I just love everything about it. I love being in this space. Even when I'm not out camping, sometimes I'll just go park somewhere and just be in here.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
How does this convert to like a bed?
So this has a platform. This board pulls out, which is stuck just by Velcro right now. Wow, it's really stuck. Okay. It's not been pulled out for a while. So it just pulls out and it connects to the bench and makes the bed.
Very cool.
Yeah. And then I've learned when I first got the van done, everything flew everywhere. So I had to learn how to secure everything, and Velcro was the winner. The Velcro just holds everything in place. So it holds the mattresses in place. That's what keeps them from sliding around. It's been great. So far they haven't worn out. If they do, I'll probably just replace it because it's been a really easy, great way to do it.
How did you settle it on like the smaller Transit? You know, I've seen a lot of people with the bigger ones and like they do some crazy builds, but why did you end up with a smaller one?
Mainly gas mileage.
Smart.
And also the size of it, just being able to park it everywhere. And it used to be a little more stealth before I had a solar panel on top, but I still feel like it is somewhat stealth. And I love cozy spaces, so I kind of didn't mind that it's small.
It is a very cozy space. It's very, I could see myself like doing some work on my laptop in here.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
You know what I've done is I've pulled my refrigerator out and used it as a bench and kind of used with a view. I have a window with a view.
Beautiful.
So I can work right here.
Is this part of the Transit, or did you do this
No,
separate?
I just did this. This is kind of a work in progress. So as it turns out, there is airbags here. We didn't take them out. So if I were to do this all in wood, the airbag would shoot the wood at my head if it were ever deployed.
Is this leather?
So this is just vinyl.
Okay.
And what I've done here is put a support rod, and I think I'll have to put 2 more to keep this from kind of sagging.
It looks great. It looks like it's just like the ones in the other Transits. Like,
yeah, but it
same
doesn't have all the heavy wood, which is nice. And then I can put all my clothes up here. So I always have clothes. I can just jump in my van and go whenever. So it's packed, ready to go. It's usually got food, clothes, refrigerator's full. I can just get in it and go.
your bug out van.
Yeah, yeah, exactly.
Can we check out the exterior and like the
Sure.
cooking sort of setup?
Yeah.
All right. We got the element party happening right now.
Yeah, that's great. So this is a temporary drawer front, but it's so pretty. I'm kind of disappointed. I see leaves of green and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I just love that song.
Wow.
So this is my big drawer, and right now it's kind of loaded for winter, and I think as the seasons change, different things will go in it. So it's a tabletop. I've put tablecloths over it and been able to sit here and use it as a table, but I can also cook on it. Right now I just have some Turkish blankets and Mexican blankets, and I'll probably trade out what's in there soon. So that's just extra storage. This is my kitchen stuff.
I love these pull-out drawers. They look so very like well made, very well made.
Oh, well, yeah, my friend did such a good job. So, and this of course is also a tabletop, but then it's just my kitchen cookware.
Wow.
I probably have
that.
more stuff in there than I need. I keep paring down as I use it.
And then I love how like the Transit, it's like has this sort of like huge hatch, which is perfect for cooking outside.
Right. I'm in the process. I have a awning that slips on here. It kind of has a bug screen, so you could have it open, have airflow through, and if there were, if it was a buggy day, then the bugs wouldn't get in, but you'd have the airflow. I'm also making something that's going to go all the way around so that I can have my shower hose through here and
Wow.
take a shower for some privacy, or just to be able to dress, or just be able to make it a bigger space.
I kind of want a Transit now.
Oh yeah?
It's cool because like you probably get great gas mileage.
I do. Yeah. I
Like-
don't know if it's any different than the Elements.
I get like 20.
I
Me,
get
if
a little
I'm-
better than that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like what?
And I get about 25
Oh,
overall.
okay. Yeah, and it's bigger and.
Yeah.
So is this extra storage out here?
Yeah, this is where I keep my camp chairs, my camp grill, buckets for washing dishes, things like that I just don't need all the time.
Yeah.
I can use my little sink for small things.
So are you like, what do you do when you like head out? Are you a hiker? Do you like to like sit and like and just enjoy nature?
I love to hike and backpack.
Oh, very cool.
So I know I haven't ever used it this way, but I have thought if I was ever in a bad situation hiking, I could always just get back to my car and sleep in my car. So the security of knowing it's here is what's really nice for me too, for that, in that situation. But a lot of car camping, and even just days at the beach, being able to pull up and, lay down and take a nap and, whatever.
It's beautiful.
Thank you.
Very nice. What year is the car?
It's a 2014.
Okay.
And this is kind of my new curtain setup. I just sewed little buttonholes and I just hook them on here. And then I can use these hooks for cooking in the kitchen, hanging utensils off of. But that's kind of my new curtain setup.
And I imagine this is like super easy to drive, just like a minivan.
Oh
kinda.
yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
it's just like driving any car, like an SUV or anything. Yeah.
Thank you so much for like showing us your build. I'm like so excited to share with everybody. Where do you have like any like social media, like where we can follow your adventures?
I'm beginning to start Adventures with Ginger, which is the car's name, on Instagram.
Love it. Awesome.
Yeah.
So everybody make sure you follow her on Instagram. I'll leave the link down below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel as well so you can stay informed whenever we have new videos. All right, everybody. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.